In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add cookies to your Wix website for 2025. If you've been wondering how to manage cookies for your users or simply want to ensure your site is compliant with privacy standards, stay tuned because by the end of this guide, you'll have everything set up effortlessly. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to your Wix account and make sure you're on the home screen. This dashboard is your control center for all things related to your website. Familiarize yourself with it because it's here where we'll start the process of adding cookies. Once you're on the home page, look for the settings option. It's typically found in the sidebar. Clicking on settings will open up a new list of options that are essential for managing various elements of your site. Now, in the settings area, you'll want to locate the search bar, which is a handy tool for navigating through the different settings available. Type in cookies into this search bar. This will filter settings related to cookies specifically, so you don't have to scroll through unrelated options. After typing cookies, you should see an option for privacy and cookies. Go ahead and click on it. This section is particularly important as it contains all the controls related to privacy settings, including what we're focusing on today, which is adding a cookie consent banner. Within the privacy and cookies section, you'll see an option to add a cookie consent banner. Clicking on this will guide you to the area where you can customize how your cookie consent is presented to visitors of your site. This is a critical step. The banner lets your users know that your site uses cookies and gives them the option to agree. It's a compliance measure that shows your site is respecting user privacy. Next, you'll want to click on Add to Site. This step integrates the cookie consent banner into your website, so you won't need to do any manual coding. It's straightforward and only requires the simple action to include the banner on every page of your site. Afterwards, you'll see an option labeled Agree and Add. Clicking this button finalizes the addition of the banner. It serves as an agreement from you to use this banner as the method for informing users about cookies on your site. Finally, the last thing to do is click on Show Banner. This ensures that the cookie consent is visible to visitors when they arrive at your website, allowing them to agree to your cookie policy. That's it. You've successfully added a cookie consent banner to your Wix website. Make sure to regularly check your privacy and cookie settings to keep up with compliance and best practices. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. See you in the next video.